Good morning, family. This is C7, the HOA homesteader. And today I'm getting ready to go inside the hive. It's been a couple of weeks since I've been in there. The last time I went in there, it was to add a honey super and the queen excluder. So I'm just doing a regular inspection. And today I'm going to also remove those Varroa Mite strips that I placed in there. So that's the two things. I hope I can find my queen today. I do know that there has been a lot more bees hovering around, and they've been bearding a lot lately. And I hope it's only because of the heat and not they're trying to plan the storm. They've been doing it daily, so that leads me to believe it was just their breeding, trying to keep the inside of that hive at the perfect temperature. So with that said, I'm going to go in. I'm already suited and booted today. Got my smoke already going. Got my clothes on me because what I had to do was I had to break out the weed eater and get around the hive today. So that's why I'm kind of pre-set up. And it's a funny thing. When I run the weed eater, they don't chase me at all. But if I come near this hive with my lawnmower, then they tend to want to chase after me. But with that said, it's time to go inside. Thank you for visiting my channel and coming on with me for my journey. All right, got the lid off. I'm looking through the hole in the top cover, and that thing is full of bees, and that's the honey super. So I'm already excited before I really even pull a frame, because if they're in that honey super like that, and if the queen wasn't able to squeeze through the excluder, they should only be up there for one reason, and that's putting honey in there. Let's go see. All right, it's like they said, that honey super is heavy. I think it's almost time for me to probably already add another one, and I don't have one prepared. So I'm gonna have to go in here again later on today or tomorrow. That's all honey, folks. There's my queen. I don't know if y'all can see her. But she's definitely on this frame. I'm gonna get it back in the bottle. I definitely saw my queen, so it's important that I try to keep her in the bottom without that queen excluder. So I need to get these boxes back on top of one another. The queen excluder, then the super, and close it on up. But I seen her today. All right. Once again, people, looks like it's time for another honey super. I got the box, I got frames, but I'd rather have some treated frames with some beeswax already on them. So I may try to get a hold of a distributor today, run out and get some of those, or I'm about to melt up some beeswax and get some more frames ready and add them to the top. All right, people, that's it for today. Once again, you know, I get excited whenever I can go into the hive and actually see my queen. So with that said, it was a good inspection. I didn't see any queen cells, and didn't look like they were trying to produce another queen. With that many bees, that's a great thing. So I thank you guys for coming to visit my channel and hanging out with me. You have been with C7, the HOA homesteader. And you know what my motto is. Just because you may live in the HOA doesn't mean that you cannot grow food or take care of bees. Thank you.